some brands do need patterns for like paper or just things that they can use it, like if they have a box, you know, they can use this pattern in that box. So today we're going to just play around with patterns. That was a weird one. Patterns. That was so Texas. You're gonna go into Window, Pattern Options, and let's see, Make Pattern. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK. And so it's gonna keep it, like, it's gonna create a square for you. And so there's different things you can do. There's grid, there's a hex to column, or by column, excuse me. There's hex by row. I think I'm gonna play with this one. So I'm selecting all of my objects and just kind of bringing them together. Let's see what that looks like. All right, so I did that 7 by 7. Let me bring in my shapes a little more. Okay. I kind of like this. Kind of fill in some of this. It's not too bad. Yeah. I like the spacing. It might be a little close. Let's see if we, let's see if we can. So when I'm creating a pattern, I try to go outside and to kind of see how the shapes are working around it. And so like, I like that spacing between here. That's not too bad. I feel like there's quite a bit there. I don't know. Let's try moving the moon up just a tad bit. And the cool thing is you can go outside of your space here. Yeah, see, I kind of like this. This is good. Okay. So from here, you'll double click out and it automatically creates the pattern for you. So now you can grab that pattern. How cool is that? All right, so let's create another art board here so we can see it. And I am going to create like the dark background. Okay. All right. And then I'm just gonna copy this, edit, paste in place, and then we're gonna fill it with the new pattern. And there you have it. Ta-da! I kind of liked that hex. Pretty cool.